Today I'm joined by Pheoleen Gandari, an artist, and he's going to tell us how he started his work. Pheoleen Gandari, do share with us.
My name is Pheoleen Gandari. I was born on 24 February 1979. I started stone carving when I was at school at primary level. I started as an assistant. I used to help Newman Chikuni and Timothy Mpotaringa after school lessons. Then I became attached to art because I loved art. So I started in 1992. That's when I started my own sculptures. I was given orders by another German art collector. And then from there, I was doing schoolwork, after schoolwork, or on weekends or on holidays. Then I was helping Newman Chikuni and Timothy Mpotaringa and doing my own sculptures. I loved fishing, so I became an artist who used to carve fish, because when I go to fishing, some of the people were fish poachers. So I wanted to express that bad behavior so that people will stop the fish poaching. So I started to carve fish so that people will know wildlife is important. So I started to carve fish, birds, and abstract art. I joined Chitungiza Art Center after school when I finished school in 1996. From there, I met more than 100 artists. We cave only one place, sharing ideas, each artist having his own display. From there, art is life, because wherever you are, you think of art, you dream art. Art became my life. Even if I find anything interesting, there is nothing interesting more than art. I really love art.
How did people take the artwork that you made when you were advocating against poaching, fish poaching?
They really appreciate it, because most of the people around the world, they don't like people who do poaching, because animals, they bring love to the world. So they really liked what I was doing. They started to promote me through my art, buying my art, showing to the world that we must keep the environment and the wildlife safe.
And on animals, what other animals also do you make?
I make owls, because people hate owls. In our culture, the black people say owls brings bad luck, but to the white people culture, they say they bring luck. So me, to myself, I see owls as good birds. They are really wise. So I started carving owls.
So in other words, you're saying art can be used to portray a particular message to people in a way that educates them?
Yeah, surely. Religious, spiritually. Some you carve religious art, someone praying, someone worshiping, someone doing whatever religion or what he believes. They think art brings hope. Even in prayer, you can give something that brings hope to someone who is a broken heart. So art brings hope spiritually.
And coming to yourself, how, are there any challenges that you're facing as an artist here in Zimbabwe?
Our only challenge is some locals, many don't appreciate art. Those who appreciate art are foreigners and a few locals. Maybe they need a teaching about art. What is art? What basically art brings to our day-to-day life. I feel they need a teaching explaining it to what art brings to even our heritage, our life.
So people here don't really know much about art. How best can we preach the word of art to the majority of Zimbabweans?
I think touching people at a tender age, maybe starting at school. I'm happy the current minister who brought art as a subject. I think it's a wonderful thing. Children will start to know our history, even our day-to-day life, through art and the art which were made anciently. So it becomes a good world, because if you touch the children, then it's okay. They grow up knowing everything, because Zimbabwe is full of good artists. It's like Zimbabwe. It's part of art. Zimbabwe is full of art. Great Zimbabwe, Victoria Falls, is full of art.